Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Daily Dialogue, Speak Smart. Think Global. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Sophie. First, thank you for the amazing response to our earlier episode about restaurant talk and ordering food.
You really loved it, and many of you asked, can we learn how to talk about food in daily life, not just when we order? Great idea! So today, we're going beyond the menu.
Exactly. We'll explore food vocabulary, cooking stories, cultural traditions, idioms, and even do a food quiz. So grab a snack and repeat phrases aloud with us to practice.
And remember, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss future episodes. Also, comment your favorite food memory below. We love reading them.
Let's start with the warm-up. Imagine a friend asks, "What's your favorite food? What do you usually eat for breakfast? Do you like to cook?"
Try answering out loud. Here are some example answers. I love homemade pizza. For breakfast, I usually have oatmeal and fruit. Yes, I enjoy cooking on weekends.
These are daily questions, perfect for small talk at school, work, or when meeting new friends.
Your turn, pause and share your answers in the comments.
Let's go deeper. Instead of always saying it's good, learn to describe tastes and textures. Sweet, salty, spicy, bitter, sour, savory. Crunchy, crispy, creamy, chewy, soft, juicy, tender.
Example. This cake is so soft and creamy. I love crunchy fried chicken. The soup tastes spicy and rich.
Repeat after us slowly. And next time you eat something, describe it aloud. Great daily practice.
Learning tip, keep a food journal and write what you ate, how it tasted, and how you felt about it.
And yes, if you like this tip, like and share this episode so more learners can practice with us.
Sophie, let's share even more food stories, because real stories make your English real.
Absolutely. Here's another one. When I was a kid, I helped my mom bake cookies every Saturday. I'd always taste test the dough, and sometimes we ended up with fewer cookies than planned.
That's adorable. For me, Sunday mornings were for pancakes with my dad. He taught me to flip them high in the air. Sometimes, they'd fall on the floor, but we'd laugh and make another batch.
Food stories can be funny, nostalgic, or even embarrassing. Like the time I added salt instead of sugar in a cake. It tasted awful, but everyone politely pretended to like it.
And sharing these stories helps your English sound more natural. Practice telling your food memories to a friend or record yourself.
Challenge. Write or say out loud one funny or special food story. Start with, "Once I tried to cook," or "When I was a child I loved." Post it in the comments so we can read it.
Food is deeply connected to culture. Let's explore more examples around the world.
In Korea, families gather to make kimchi together. It's not just cooking. It's an event that brings generations together.
In Morocco, people share a big dish called tagine right from the pot, using bread instead of forks.
And in Spain, friends meet for tapas, small plates to share while talking and laughing.
In the US, many families barbecue in the backyard during summer. It's not just about food, it's about relaxing and catching up.
Learning cultural food traditions teaches you not just words, but also the meaning behind them. It helps your conversations feel richer.
Mini challenge, ask someone from another culture, is there a special food your family makes for holidays? Write what you learn.
And share it with us. We'd love to hear about traditions from your country too. Now let's write together. Pick your favorite dish. It could be a family recipe, street food, or something you discovered while traveling.
Think about these questions. What are the main ingredients? What does it smell and taste like? When do you usually eat it? Why is it special to you? Does it bring back memories?
Example. My favorite dish is chicken biryani. It smells spicy and rich. The rice is fluffy, and the chicken is tender. My grandmother makes it for family gatherings, so it always feels like celebration.
New words to try: aromatic, tender, savory, mouth-watering, fluffy, hearty, comforting.
Now it's your turn. Write 3 to 5 sentences describing your dish. Use at least 2 new adjectives.
Share your text in the comments. Writing helps you remember words better and helps others learn too.
English has lots of fun food idioms. Let's learn some more. Butter someone up, say nice things to get what you want. In a pickle, in trouble or a difficult situation. The big cheese, an important person. Take something with a grain of salt, don't fully believe it.
And don't forget earlier ones: piece of cake, spill the beans, and cool as a cucumber.
Let's practice. I'll say the idiom, and you guess the meaning. He's the big cheese of the company. It means, he's the boss. She buttered him up before asking for help. She flattered him to get what she wanted.
Idioms add flavor to your language, just like spices do to food.
Comment which idiom is your favorite, and try to use it in your own sentence.
Food isn't just about taste, it's about feelings. Let's explore.
For example, warm soup on a cold day makes us feel safe and cozy. Sweet desserts can cheer us up when we're sad.
Or certain smells, like fresh bread, might remind you of childhood mornings.
Practice these phrases. It brings back memories. It makes me feel at home. It always cheers me up.
Try adding feelings when you talk about food. I love hot chocolate, it makes me feel relaxed and happy.
Challenge. Think of one dish and say how it makes you feel. Record yourself or tell a friend.
Adding emotions makes your English stories more human and interesting.
Let's do a bigger roleplay.
Imagine you're catching up with a friend.
Friend, what did you have for dinner yesterday? Your answer. I had grilled fish with rice. It was really fresh and light.
Friend, do you like cooking or eating out? Your answer. Both. I cook on weekdays, but on weekends I love trying new restaurants.
Friend, what's your comfort food? Your answer. Definitely noodle soup. It always makes me feel warm and happy.
Now switch. You ask the questions and imagine a friend answering.
Roleplay builds real fluency, do it out loud.
Food talk gets fun when we compare tastes.
Ask a friend or write. I love sweet desserts, but my brother prefers salty snacks. She loves spicy food, but I can't handle it. My favorite is creamy pasta, but my friend likes crunchy salads.
New words: mild, rich, bitter, refreshing.
Your challenge: write 2 sentences comparing your taste with someone else's.
Example: I prefer mild curries, but my dad loves extra spicy ones.
Comment your sentences. Comparing makes conversations interesting and shows your personality.
Time for a bigger quiz. 1. Name 2 texture adjectives. 2. What does butter someone up mean? 3. True or false? Crunchy means soft. 4. Share one food from your culture and describe its taste.
And this week's challenge: describe every meal you eat in English, even just in your mind.
Extra challenge: tell a friend about your favorite dish in English.
Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe so your friends can join this journey.
Let's review what we covered. Food stories and memories. Cultural traditions. Writing practice. Fun idioms. Describing tastes and textures. Emotional connections. Role-play practice. Comparing preferences. Quiz and challenges.
That's a lot. Remember, daily practice, even 5 minutes, builds real fluency.
Watch this again, pause, repeat phrases, and write in your journal.
And share your stories and answers in the comments, we read them all.
Subscribe, like, and share so more learners can join our family.
This was the daily dialogue. Speak smart. Think global.